Hi, my name's Paul, and I'll be your learning guide for this video on using the exponent property of logarithms. We want to simplify these three expressions using this property. So I'm going to write that down first, and in general, it's log base b of m to the n power is equal to n times the log base b of m. So that's what we'll be using to solve all three of these examples, and a few more after that. So the first one is log 4, or log base 4, of 4 to the second power, or 4 squared. Well, right away we can see that b is equal to 4 using our properties over here. M is the base inside the parentheses, which is equal to 4 also, and n is equal to 2. So what this property says is to bring down the n in front of the log and just keep the base, which is m, or 4 in this case, on its own. So that would mean bringing down the 2 and multiplying that by log base 4 times 4. The second example, log base 4 again, of v to the 4th is how we say that. And we have, again, b is 4, the base, and it's v to the 4th. So you can use these letters if you want, but I'm just going to bring down the 4. That's what we know to do. The n comes down in front. In this case, the 4 in v to the 4th comes down. So log base 4 v to the 4th is equal to 4 times the log base 4 of v. And that's the answer. Finally, again, log base 4 d to the 5th. This one will bring down the 5 in front and multiply it times the log of just d. And this is exactly how we use the exponent property of logarithms. So please take a moment to pause the video and try these examples out on your own before looking at the solution. So again, log base b, where b is the base of the log, m to the n power, m is the base and n is the exponent in the parentheses, is equal to n times log base b in just m by itself. So looking at the first example here, we have log base 7 of 7 to the 3rd power. Well, we bring down the 3 in front and multiply it by the log base 7 of 7, just keeping that base inside the log here. The next one is log base 7 h to the 5th power. Bring down the 5 in front and multiply it by the log base 7 of h. That was the original base. And finally, the last one is log base 7 of r to the 8th power. So we bring down the 8 in front, multiply it by log base 7 of r. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this on your academic learning journey through math. Please leave a comment below and let me know which example you found most helpful. And don't forget to check out more free content at tutoringbymatthew.com.